Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 severe weather outlook. There's a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses western Oklahoma and north central Texas. Cities in today's slate include Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Duncan, Oklahoma, Yukon, Oklahoma, and Altus, Oklahoma. There are four marginals today. One marginal covers southeastern Wyoming, southwestern and west central Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, the eastern part of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, central Oklahoma, the eastern part of the Panhandle of Texas, and north central Texas. A second marginal today covers southeastern Texas, most of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, southern Georgia, and south central South Carolina. The third marginal today covers eastern Michigan, northern Ohio, northwest Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York. And the fourth marginal today covers northeastern Maryland, most of Delaware, central and southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. My area is right on the cusp of the marginal. Cities in today's marginals include Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Jacksonville, Florida, and Baltimore, Maryland. And now for the go to the tornado for today. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses west central Oklahoma and a tiny bit of north central Texas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Lawton, Oklahoma, Altus, Oklahoma, Burnett, Texas, Elk City, Oklahoma, and Weatherford, Oklahoma. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses the far eastern part of the Texas Panhandle, north central Texas, and parts of Oklahoma. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Wichita Falls, Texas, Enid, Oklahoma, Duncan, Oklahoma, Yukon, Oklahoma, and Bethany, Oklahoma. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the Tornado Intensity Index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 or stronger. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Lawton, Oklahoma, Duncan, Oklahoma, Altus, Oklahoma, Chickasha, Oklahoma, and El Reno, Oklahoma. Go to the wind threat for today. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses western Oklahoma and north central Texas. The 15% wind risk area today includes Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Duncan, Oklahoma, Yukon, Oklahoma, and Altus, Oklahoma. And there are four areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering southeastern Wyoming, west central and southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Kansas, northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, the eastern part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, far western Oklahoma, central Oklahoma as well, north central Texas, and the eastern part of the Texas Panhandle. A second 5% today covers southeastern Texas, most of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northern Florida, southern Texas, and south central South Carolina. The third 5% wind risk today covers eastern Michigan, northern Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York. And the fourth 5% wind risk today covers northeastern Maryland, most of Delaware, central and southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. My area is right on the cusp of the 5% today. The 5% wind risk area today includes areas, really? Here's the 5% wind risk areas to... Oh, sorry, wrong one. The 5% wind risk areas today include Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Baltimore, Maryland, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now for the hail threat for today, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering western Oklahoma and north central Texas. The 15% hail risk area today includes Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Duncan, Oklahoma, Altus, Oklahoma, and Chickasha, Oklahoma. There are four areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering southeastern Wyoming, west central and southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, the eastern part of the Oklahoma Panhandle, central Oklahoma, north central Texas, and the eastern part of the Texas Panhandle. A second 5% hail risk today covers southeastern Texas, most of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southwestern Alabama, and western part of the Florida Panhandle. The third 5% hail risk today covers eastern Michigan, northern Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New York. And the fourth 5% hail risk today covers northeastern Maryland, most of Delaware, central and southern New Jersey, and southeastern Pennsylvania. My area is right on the cusp of the 5% hail risk. The 5% hail risk areas today include Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Detroit, Michigan, Baltimore, Maryland, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now, if you look at black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2, a level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright? Black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today. Alright? Cities in the black dashed area today include Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawton, Oklahoma, Altus, Oklahoma, Woodward, Oklahoma, and Burnett, Texas. So, in summary, widely scattered severe thunderstorms capable of large to very large hail, locally damaging wind gusts, and perhaps a few tornadoes are possible in parts of western and central Oklahoma Saturday afternoon and evening. Sparse or large hail damaging wind occurrences are possible across the Gulf Coast states. Excuse me. The northern and central high plains, the Great Lakes, and possibly mid-Atlantic. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, because sometimes slights and marginals can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck marginals and slights can pull off. Now, I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.